My name's Josh, and this is Mealtime with Josh. Today we're making hamburgers, but first a couple of tips. Number one, make your burger much wider than it is tall. That way when it expands during cooking, you'll still have something that looks like a patty should. Number two, get the freshest beef you can. When I go to the store, I ask for whatever's freshest. If it was cut 4 hours ago, that's okay. But you want something that's cut and then directly mixed. Fresher, the better. Number three, season your ground beef before you put it into patties. You can use Dale sauce, which is kind of a shortcut. Instead of spending time doing seasoning and trying to get the flavor right, you can just put Dale sauce in and you're done. Or you can try Worcester sauce, put in an egg, put in some cheese, salt, pepper, whatever you want. All right, let's get cooking.